Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to factory reset Chromebook. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So the first method is from the login screen. Turn on the Chromebook and go to the login screen. Don't sign in. So you have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R. And then a dialog box will appear. Click to restart. After it restores, select Powerwash and then click on Continue. Number 5. Follow the prompts to reset your Chromebook. The method 2 is from Settings. You have to click down on the bottom right corner and select the Settings icon. Scroll down and click on Advanced to expand more options. Then under Reset Settings, click on Powerwash. And number 4, click Reset, then Restart. Confirm by clicking Powerwash again and following the instructions. Then this will erase a local data, so make sure to back up anything important to Google Drive or an external device. So guys, you have here 2 methods to fix it. I hope one of these helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.